So bana ba papa ke Tifo once again. So today ra go lebella kgang ya go analyze market. So simply ke go tlhalosa concept ya di-order block hela today. Ke yone e le gore ke go bua ka yone thata. So ke go simolola about the type. If you want to know order block, okay, you will research my guy, my lady. Let I intshwarela about that one. I want to cover it because if you like it useless, as long as you know gore e dirisiwa yang mo marketeng, that's the only thing se se tlhokagala. So we have some types of order blocks. We have two types of order block. The first order block, okay, is bullish order block. Bullish order block e dira in the last candle before the bullish movement. The last candle before the bullish movement. This is where we are going to make our this is our bullish order block. So our last candle, we have a candle our hello before the bullish movement. I can like to movement or yang godimo. So it is the last candle before the bullish movement. And on the other side, we have a bearish order block. Bearish order block, okay, in the last candle before the bearish movement. Slow, yeah. A day, man. The last candle before the bullish movement, and this one is in the intermediate. Let me try to figure out whether I will see. For example, this one unfortunately is in the middle. Okay. So what I will do is this. If a market otabo o so and then oborian, this candle here high, this is going to be our where we make our order block. I get order block ya very short in the movement in the last candle before taking the bearish move before a downtrend one. So that's how it is simply hella. And then another thing I can get on the characteristics, because you should not only know the type inside the order block, but let's say the characteristics. I'm giving you characteristics only for tradable order blocks, because Ronaldo order block would say they are not being respected by the market simply because Hawaii bar in a way they should be in the right position. So the first characteristics here, the first one order block should be at or near the support and resistance. Support or resistance. So one, it's also at the support level or at the resistance level order block. That's the first characteristics. Guys, some people have this here, this is our support, because market that's why it's called our support. Whether you are going to remove this thing, whether you are going to remove it, market is still retrace. It is our support, invisible because it is made only by the broker. When now you have to find it out. How say market that's way. That's why we have to figure it out, and it is one of the characteristics is of a tradable order block, because the market on now thing. So that's the first thing. This is our support, and then this is our resistance this is our resistance this one, yeah. This is our resistance. I don't know where mic or any first this thing. Okay. Yeah, this is our resistance. Let me. All right. Yeah, this is our resistance because how ka ela thoko goa o tla lemoga gore nako tsotlhe ga price ya ko godimo e nna e resistiwa ya ko godimo ya resistiwa, and even here we are expecting gore jaaka ya ko godimo ana e ta gona be resistiwa. That is why it is called a resistance wa bona. You see, it is always being resisted thing. um, um, so it is always being resisted gone teng la bona ke. So that's how it is. That is the first characteristics of a tradable order block. The second one is that order block must break the market structure. Ebile likely ke beile line here. Let me get to this line. Guys, there is this. I carry la bona this thing. However, it should break the structure fela gore ta ke dirise go moela one time o tala pisa. Ta ke kwal ke direla thoko pele. I carry it should break the market structure ke rela gore ha go ntse mo ira dilo hela. Let me wipe it out first. What I mean ke gore ha order block e ntse yana e be go nna le trade e simolola ha eta so e be e re yana e be e boa. We expect it gore ha e tswa gone ha e tswa e be e breaka the thing. This was our high again, our higher high. We expect it gore ha e tswa ko order block e be nna le impulsive move e le gore ta breaka the market structure wa bona. Hela ha e ka breaka, we are going to know that this is a tradable order block wa bona. So that's it. It is the same way. This is our support again. It is the same way even co resistancing hela. Let me just do uh let me ntho e bana a ke re la bona ke ha e be e boela ko order block. We expect it gore ha e tswa e be e heta the first high la bona ke e be e heta diamond yona thing, and then ke ye ile ya boela ko order block. We expect it gape gore ha eta e be to go heta the last high gape la bona ke. So that's the second characteristics. Ke tsa go ntse la ntlhaloganya le tsa tlhaloganya le ta comment ke ta le tlhalosetsa gore ke raya. So yeah, that's the second one. And then the third characteristics ke gore it should be some order block should be at the imbalance fair value gap. Ke itse gore ke rile ke tata ke cover le yone ya fair value gap, but yeah, let me just include this one for now because it is very important. Ha re bua ka di order block e dira gone ha fair value gap e nna an imbalance. For example, this order block e high, this order block e ke beileng a gare it is at the fair value gap. Ke tata ke tlhalosa in detail guys of fair value gap ke gore ke imbalance he nya ke tata ke palama ile one la topic ya fair value gap e dingelo yana gore nka e tsenya gona ha ela yana. So ha gona le fair value gap e teng, market is always respecting jaaka le bona ke tsa gore you can see here gore o ile wa boa ha o tswa akere our fair value gap e ne le here. This is our fair value gap here, and then market o ile wa boa wa tsamaya o ile wa ya ko godimo ha o tswa gone kwa bo to go toucha, and then it went up. Re expecta gore ha ile go ka boa gona ha o tsamayang teng o bota kwa tlase re sure gore ha eta it is highly possible, say let me say 80% possible gore e ka ya ko godimo gape, because you cannot be sure. If re ne re nna re le sure we could have been making millions every day wa bona. So that's it. That's another characteristics of a tradable order block. Another thing another characteristics this one's di tlhoka experience nyana but ke tal di breaker in a simple way gore le di tlhaloganye ke bullish order block above equal high or bearish like for example this one ye ko tase this one ebile go monate ka go na le example yone ye ko tase le e bonang is a bearish that the characteristics ke gore is a bearish order block below the equal low. I mean hey sa re se kgwa batho ba modimo no we use this one e bona ka ke tale thaka-thakanya dithogo for example go ha re leng teng ha go na le the equal highs here. There is equal highs here gape so jaaka go na le equal highs so the order block ye ya go nnang teng ha godimo ga this equal highs is going to be respected, highly respected. Order block ye ko godimo is a bullish order block above the equal highs. And then on the opposite side, take draw a toko. I will tell let me start by this order block and Sayana, and then Eboriana. So as long as equal lows here, we expect the market to retrace to this order block. We expect it to order block where we respect. That's what we expect. That's why it is another characteristics of a tradable order block. So this one is a bearish order block below the equal highs because these are equal highs here. So this is the order block. The equal highs, it is below the equal lows. In the same manner, yeah, this one in the same manner, yeah, bullish lone so. We expect the market to high low or some boya or boela retrace so because there is equal high here. That's how it is, guys. And then another thing, even if you know the characteristics, it cannot work for you if you don't know how to trade order blocks. There is how to trade order blocks. Information you can use it, yes, and make profit. But let me just say there is how to these are my rules. You have to find a strategy and how remote trading. You have to find a strategy, and then after you find it, that's when you can some changes more trading level ya gago. So the first rule e ke dirisa ke re SHBMS RTO zoo la ke SHBMS RTO zoo like the first thing ke mo go bitswa go te stop hunt. Stop hunt guys ha nkare ka e tlhalosang ka re stop hunt ke go mo go irwa ke dibanka hela wa bona o e broker gore ba te ba le jele madi ba cut di-stop loss wa bona. Stop loss hunt, they are hunting for stop losses. Let me just give you example ke te ke dirile hatse ha so. Let me ke etse so. Let me see gona le order block here. So ha gona le order block wa. These guys ba di banka, they know gore motho o ta ba ha ile gore, for example, let me say market o ile go godimo, ebe market wa go boa so a kere we know gore ha o tswa wa go ya go godimo. So these guys ba di banka kana di-broker ba tabo ba itse gore somewhere here, somewhere ha tase ha, somewhere gone ha motho o beile stop loss. So what they are going to do ke gore stop hunt, ha go to stop loss hunt, e tla be e tsamaya yana iketile e be e re yana e be ya ko godimo, ha e tswa gone ha e be e tla be to go ya ko tlase gone ka, e be e to go ya ko tlase ha e tswa ko tlase. Let me do this. Wa bona re tswa go boa kae, itele di-stop loss tse tsotlhe, ha e sena go le khata la phanika, le tabe le phanika e be le nna confused le ka na ga e breakile order block, ha e breakile order block wa na expecta gore ha e tswa e be re yana e be ya kwa tlase. But what is going to happen ke gore, so a ke re le tabe le simola le ba di order block ra di stop loss tse dingwe ha e be le tsena trade ya sele, mme yone ha e tswa gone ha what is going to happen ke gore ya go breaka this e be bo e tswelela in the same move when e tsamayang ka yone. So that is the stop hunt here. One, it is hunting for stop losses. E betsa di-stop losses tsotlhe e be di thatso. That is the first thing. Stop hunt ke sone se ke se bitsa SH, and then go na le BMS. BMS ke yone re bua ka one kgantele, break of market structure. So break of market structure ke gore a ke re let me see, this is our high and this is our higher high here again. This high, this one is higher than this one. So ha e tswa gone ha e tshwanetse gore e bo e to go nna higher than this one, e te break this level wa bona, e tshwanetse gore e te break level e. That's why it comes a be breaker. So it is another confirmation gone. And then after this go na le mo go twe RTO, a ke re ke SHRTO zo. RTO ya nong yone ta ke dira gape ga thoko, e tenne e kete e cleaning yana ke. So it is here and then it goes this way, goes this way, goes this way. Ke mo go twe BMS gone ha stop hunt ke sone se se kota se ka SH ka ha ke. And then go nna ke ra e breakile so go nna le mo go tweng RTO gone. RTO is simply the return to order block. La bona, this is our RTO. It is the return to order block. After a break at the market structure, it returns to the order block. Then simply go tswa gone e be ya go godimo ke gone jaaka e tabe e tsamaile so e tsaya go la e tshwara. Let me go to the chart ke le bontshe gone ya ka ebile ke e butse. So this is our stop hunt. La bona ke re tswa go boa kae, e tswa go boa very very far. Gongwe o ka ithaola se stop hunt ka go bona ke teng mo order block. No, order block e ke e dirile tona thata. Let me show you go order block e ke e dirile tona thata, and let me do this. That's our stop hunt. Ha nka ya ko 1 hour o ka bona sente go go ira re tsa go take ko an hour ga bona ke it went too low. So that is our stop hand. Haya kwa tlase, so what happens ke gona gore from here e tla be ya go godimo akere e dira gone ga kgantele mo, e tla be e tswa be ya, and then comes here. And then but this is not just a valid validation. Yes, it is something the same. It looks something like that. That one. This is a break of market structure because this one is different. Kabeli on any chance from here, a bay break at the structure, and then a bay return to order block here. But it did not break the structure because this high here, it is higher than this one, you see. So we don't consider it, but ke tsa gore la ntlhaloganya ne ke le bontsha ka ya nniwa ke it is the same way hela le ya bearish. It is the same way, but I can just take this time hela go le bontsha gape. It is the same way. Order block ke and then a market ke market waiter wa touch waiter stop hunt, and then break of structure, return to order block, then zoo. That's it. Ke tsa gore la tshwara concept ya teng. This is the first one, and then the other one ya nna ke dirisang hey guys, diamond ya article return to order block, batho ba ibitsa ba re ke retracement ke sone sekgwa se ba se dirisa kana na di theme ke ditse. I just know how to trade. So once a retracer, we are taking our sell signal ke gone o ta bana batho ba go neela ba sell what sell what ba go neela signal gone. That's why we are taking our sell signal. And then the second way of how to I trade order block ke kganya liquidity. Liquidity na ke itse information e liquidity is where there is stop loss is where there is liquidity. Wa bona liquidity ko di stop loss. For example, diamond alone e dealer the same way as kganyele ya stop hunt. Let me try to give you this. Let me try to show you here. Let me say like general order block here, order block here. Ke order block tse pedi la bona ke. So e be ile gore market o tswa ha wa go toucha o tsamaya so in a range la bona ke liquidity ha e leng teng ke ha liquidity e go godimo ka. This is where we find liquidity. So ha e tswa gone ha it is going to high. Ha e tswa gone ha it is going to break out. E be nna le hunting yana stop hunt yone gore e stop out batho. Go nna le stop hunt a ke re ke le waletse stop hunt ke yone hunting of stop losses. E be nna le stop hunt from here, and then from here batho ba tabo ba ithaba re ya retracer to here ke re gore e ye go godimo, but from here ka gore le tabe le be di stop loss tsa lona yona ha e tswa gone ha e tla be ta straight la be ya ka la one. This thing kana ke bola ile ka go ba order block nngwe ta ke dira go sena order e le order block e one. Ta ke re hela yana le order block e one. This order block here one. Let me see ke ya tsama ya boa it ntse e touch order block, and then ha e tswa e be break so motho o ta ba re nya ka re breakile ta ke be stop loss saka because ya go boa be retracer e be ya go godimo, but ha e tswa gone kwa yone e ta be a ke re go ta be go ntse le stop hunt because the first thing ke gore batho mme ke tsaya gore la ntaloganya guys ka ke batla go 'ira ka teng, mme ga kena go itsapa ke tla e bolelela gape. So e ntsana a ke re ya touch-a ya boa and then ha e ya ko godimo o tabe o ba stop loss ya o re nnyaa o raya gore ha e taga e tabe e tsena mo selling but yone ha e tswa gone ha e tla be e dira e betsa stop hunt e be go stopa out akere ha e sena go stopa out o tla bo batla go 'ira revenge trading gone ha bo re nnyaa ka gore breakile the market structure o raya gore ke ba stop loss ha yaanong because ya go boa be e retracer e be ya ko godimo but yone ha e tswa kwa e tla be e betsa gape e be e to go tswelela so wa bona gore e tla be go stopile out here e go stopile out here let me say gongwe o lose $20 here o bo o lose $20 o mongwe gape o beile stop loss kgakala you see so that's how simply it is. So this one yone e netileng we call it yone order block we ke bitsa go ke type ya liquidity a ke re mo go godimo a ke ne ke lara ke re liquidity gone. So this is called the buy side liquidity is the buy side liquidity and then re na le the sell side liquidity ke opposite hela tsone nothing differs much a ke re la bona re so the same way hela le one re tla re yata e be e boa ya tabe boa and then wena o tla bo ba stop loss ha o reng ya gore ha ya o ta so be ya kwa ra go yone beta e go stopa out akere ha go stopa out o bo ba stop loss ha o reng ya o ra gore ya go retracer so e be boa mme yona ha e tswa gone ka e be e tswella. So here this is our liquidity right here. So this liquidity is called the sell side liquidity. One. So that's how I trade guys. It's dingwe tsa bo di trend line ke tla di bontsha as time goes by. I'll take everything step by step. Kgang ya fair value gap ke tata ke tsa e le yone e le one hela but note that this order block here this one this order block ke order block wa fair value gap. Ke di-order blocks tsa fair value gap guys gantsi ke tse di agare nyana so bona di la gare but ke tata ke tlhalosa in detail guys e leta intshwarela video ya gompieno e ntse le dikganyana that's why bona e ntse telle so but yeah ke tswa ka lista ngwana papa ke T4 re ta kopana next time again. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment ha o sa tlhaloganyang teng re tle re thusane bana ba papa ke sure.
Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make